Hi, I'm Marion Brand from Brand Fitness. I have a BOSU workout for you today. So grab a BOSU, grab 2 sets of dumbbells, a medium set of dumbbells, and we're gonna get started. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Brand Fitness, and also check out my clothing line from Zaya Active. I'm an independent rep, so all the links are below, and hope you enjoy. If you don't have a BOSU, you can do this on the floor too. That'll work fine, just a set of dumbbells and floor work. Let's get started. We're gonna warm up with a couple jogs on the BOSU. If you're new to the BOSU, you'll want to get used to how it feels first. Just stand on it first. If you have used it, then you're ready to go. So let's just jogging up and down. So you always want to be warm before you start any exercise. So do a little warm up before you start. I'm just going to do a quick little warm up here. Changing legs, other side. So if you didn't have the BOSU, you could just be jogging in place. On the floor is fine. Up and down. And breathing. Okay, and then from here I'm going to step up, down, down, up, straddle. Depends how long your legs are. Step kind of to the back, and then changing legs. So other way. Always make sure you're breathing. So, and then just a little bit of arms. You can try doing the arms while you're on the BOSU, see how your balance is. So BOSU is awesome equipment for doing your balancing, and if you don't feel comfortable, just go to the floor. Coming up, and let's try a couple squats on here. So down and then up, down, back up. You want to make sure you are sitting back. So back, and then back. So of course it's wobbly, and you want to try to keep your feet sort of centered in, feet are hip width apart, and then just coming down and back up. Okay, so let's go into our first exercise. I guess that was our first exercise. We're gonna do a lunge up and then lunge back. So I want your right foot on top. You're gonna lift up, step your foot back, and then back. So right, and then left, right, right, left, right. So come up, see if you can touch down. You want to stay up tall when you're touching down. So from the side view here, down. So let this knee drive down. I don't want like this, down, and then come up. Step back, up, step back. Let's do 4 more. Down, 3, and 2. More. We're going to change legs. So other side, so left foot on top. So you can rest in between, take a little bit of rest, and then we're going to start the other side. So coming up, knee up, foot back, and back. So one leg, so it's a little bit of coordination and also balance. Now if you need to hang on, you can do that too. Down, lift up, and down, lift up. So, balancing on the BOSU, you need to engage your core. That's part of your balance. If you're brand new to BOSU, this might be a little bit difficult. So just work your way up to this. Lift, back, back, lift up, back, back. Let's do 4 more. Back, back, 3 more. 2 more, and then 1 more. So from here, take a rest. We're going to do the rowing. So with the rowing, Bentover Row, you're going to hinge at the hip, shoulders are back, chest is out, and you're going to squeeze and lower down. Now, if you want to incorporate the BOSU, you can stand on top. Now we're a little bit unbalanced, lift and lower. Breathe, keep your neck straight. Going, Stay in one position, squeeze and lower down. And breathe. You want to make sure you always have that good posture. I'll show you from the side again. Keep going, squeeze. And I've got a bit of a bend in my leg. My belly button is in. And squeeze. Breathing. Still going. Breathe. And breathe. Let's do 4 more of these. 4, 3, and 2. And last one. Awesome. So next exercise. Take a little rest, grab some water. We're going to do a straddle on the BOSU to an overhead. If you prefer on the ground, you can do that there. I'm going to hold. I'm going to squat and then come up. Squat down and then come up. But this one I'm going to do on the BOSU. So you're holding here, down, and then come up. Down, down low and up. Squat down, lift up. Keep going. Still going. Make sure you're breathing. 4 more. And 3. And 2. And 1 more. We've got to do the other side. If your weights were too heavy, you can skip the overhead, but this time, or you can use one weight like this and lift. So get ready for the other side. So set it up. So I've got my foot in the center of the BOSU. Arms are up. And we're going to squat down and lift. And down and lift. You're probably going to notice one side. I notice this side's harder. Down. Down. And lift up. Still going. Heart rate's going to go up. As soon as you do the arms overhead, breathe. Still going. Two more. One more. Good job on that. Next exercise will be the tricep kickbacks, or if you want to do an overhead, that's fine too. So from here, we are hinge at the hip again, like on the row. Elbows are up, and then extend. If you want, come to the BOSU. So get ready. And breathe. Breathe. Keep it going. And go. You want to try to extend and hold at the end. Chest is out, shoulders are back. Pull those lats down. Still going. Breathe it. Whoa. Gotta watch. Let's do 4 more. Are you still with me? 3. And 2. And last one. Awesome. So now take a little rest. We're going to kneel on the BOSU. You can do the bicep curls standing up if you want, but on the BOSU you're going to feel it in your core. So we're down here. Shoulders are back, and just holding. You're going to lift, and you're going to notice you feel wobbly. So core is engaged. It's working all those little stabilizing muscles. Shoulders are back again. Here we go. It's looking good. Oh, I'm feeling this workout. It's just short and sweet. So we're just going to finish up with these. If you want to repeat the exercises again, I'll put a timestamp so you can just go run through one more time, or even 3 times. So that's a good little workout for you. Make sure you're breathing. Breathe in. Breathe out. Slow and controlled. You can turn the hands like this if you want to. And breathe. Breathe. Last 4. and 3. So no swinging, just controlled. So you have to be more controlled because we are on the BOSU. Go. And last one. Woo! So there you have it. That was just a quick little rundown of a few exercises using the BOSU and some dumbbells. So if you want to do another set, go back again. And if you want to know more about my membership program, check out the links below. Thanks so much for joining me, Marion Brand from Brand Fitness. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you want to see more of these videos, and also like my video. And I'm also a rep for Zaya Active. Check out my links below for its awesome line of clothing, and hope to see you again soon.